Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through an article about Jamaica having unprecedented growth in the tourism sector. Now, as you know, hotels are going up all over Jamaica and they're getting larger and larger. Jamaica now has probably four of the tallest hotel structures in the English speaking Caribbean. The Pinnacle at 28 floors is a hotel. Then you have Moon Palace, which is going to be 32 or 33 floors. Then you have Harmony Cove, which is going to be 26 floors. And you have Hard Rock Hotel, which is going to be 22 floors. Unprecedented growth in the hotel sector. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Minister of Tourism, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, is expressing confidence that the sector is now firmly on the path to unprecedented growth. He said that having overcome a period of slowdown driven by a crippling United States travel advisory, which has since been revised, remnants of COVID-19 and natural disasters such as Hurricane Beryl, Jamaica's tourism sector is now in full recovery mode, with a promising outlook for the remainder of the fiscal year. In an interview, Mr. Bartlett emphasized that growth remains the industry's primary focus. I have always maintained that growth is what we are about, and we are never and will never be satisfied with being flat or experiencing negative growth, the minister said. When we see negative figures, it makes us uneasy because our goal is always to grow, regardless of what's happening anywhere else in the world, he added. Prior to the recent travel advisory, which was downgraded from level 3 to a more manageable level 2, Jamaica's tourism industry was already demonstrating resilience. The sector was in full flight, with visitor numbers climbing and earnings reaching new heights. The minister reminded that the country was on the cusp of reaching stratospheric levels before disruptions impacted the recovery trajectory. Now, with the travel environment stabilized and the Jamaica Tourist Board, along with all relevant agencies operating in unison, the outlook appears exceedingly promising. The minister said that to date, Jamaica has secured approximately 2.3 million visitors, generating around 2.4 billion in tourism earnings, figures that underscore the sector's swift recovery and reinforce the country's commitment to its ambitious 5 by 5 by 5 goal. This strategic plan, Mr. Bartlett added, aims to achieve US $5 billion in tourism revenues and 5 million tourist arrivals by March 31st, 2026. We are now halfway through the year, and I believe we are on track. We're also focusing on boosting cruise arrivals, which currently stand at about 750,000, he said. Looking ahead, Mr. Bartlett said there are plans to introduce new legislation and regulatory framework designed to support long-term contracts between local manufacturers and the tourism industry. As we shift from luxury and high-end tourism, the demand for authentic Jamaican products will grow. We will impact a local-first policy prioritizing Jamaican suppliers unless a product is unavailable locally, the minister added. He encouraged entrepreneurs to use events like the annual Christmas in July trade show as a launchpad for scaling their operations and increasing productivity. Use these kinds of events not only to showcase your products, but also to elevate your business to new heights, he urged. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.